Hi, this is Saikesh Reddy from Magneq Software. 30 days, 30 aptitude topics. Day 7. Today topic pipes and system. So in this topic, very important, inlet and outlet. So for example, this is a tank, then inlet and outlet. Inlet means which pipe which pipe fills the tank. Outlet means which pipe empty the tank. And next, cistern. Cistern means open storage. Cistern means open storage. And very important, inlet means which pipe fills the tank. Outlet means which pipe empty the tank. And this is also same as time and work. We are using same formulas and methods. Two pipes P and Q fill a tank in 30 hours and 45 hours respectively. If both the pipes are open together, how much time will be taken to fill a tank? So for example, this is a tank, pipe P and Q. Pipe P and Q fill in 30 hours and 45 hours. So P can fill in 30 hours, Q can fill in 45 hours by using LCM method. So LCM of 30 and 45 90. 90 by 30 means 3 units. 90 by 45 means 2 units. P and Q. So 3 plus 2, 5 units. There are total 90 units, 5 units means 18 hours. A pipe can fill a tank in 25 hours. Due to leakage in the bottom, it is filled in 50 hours. If the tank is full, how much time will it take to empty it? So, for example, tank fill in 25 hours and leakage total time 50 hours. So, fill plus leakage equal to tank full. Tank full. Now we have to find out leakage equal to full minus fill. So given information, full in 50 hours, fill in 25 hours by using LCM method. LCM 50, so 50 by 51, 50 by 25, 2. Difference, difference. So leakage equal to 2 minus 1, 1. 50 by 1 means 50 hours. So answer 50 hours. Pipe P can fill a tank in 40 hours, while pipe Q alone can fill a tank in 50 hours, and a pipe R can empty the full tank in 60 hours. If all the pipes are open together, how much time will be needed to make the tank full? So for example, this is tank. Pipe P can fill in 40 hours. Pipe Q can fill in 50 hours. Pipe R empty in 60 hours. 60 hours. So capacity pipe P 40, pipe Q 50, and pipe R 60. 60. So LCM of 40, 50, 60. For easy method, 4, 5 and 6. For easy method, 4, 5 and 6. So 2 times 5 and 3 times. 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. 60. But here LCM 600. 600. 600 by 40. 600 by 50. 600 by 60. So 15 times, 12 times, 10 times. But addition and subtraction. 27 minus 10 means 70. 600 by 70. So convert into mixed fraction. 1735 times 595 means 5 remainder. 35 5 by 70. 35 5 by 70. Two pipes A and B can fill a cistern in 1.5 hours and 100 minutes respectively. There is an outlet C. If all the three pipes are open together, the tank is full in 60 minutes. How much time will be taken by C to empty the full tank? So, for example, tank, pipe A, pipe B, and pipe C also. Total 60 minutes. Total 60 minutes. Pipe A 1.5 means 90 minutes. 1.5 hours means 90 minutes. Pipe B 100 minutes. Total 60 minutes. We have to find out C. So pipe A 90 minutes, pipe B 100, and total full 60 minutes. So LCM of 9, 10 and 6. Next to 2, 3, 5 and 1. 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. So LCM 9, LCM 90. But here 900. LCM 900. 900 by 90. 900 by 100. 900 by 60. So 10 times, 9 times, 15 times. Plus, plus, minus. So 19 minus 15 means 4. 900 by 4. So 225 minutes. Pipe C can empty in 225 minutes. If two pipes function simultaneously, the reservoir is filled in 12 hours. One pipe fills the reservoir in 10 hours faster than the other. How many hours does the faster pipe take to fill the reservoir? So total reservoir fill in 12 hours, and one of the pipe is 10 hours faster than the another pipe. Means first pipe take as x, then second one 10 plus x. 10 plus x. So first pipe X, second pipe 10 plus X, total time 12 hours. So general method 1 by X plus 1 by 10 plus X equal to 1 by 12. So X into 10 plus X. Now X plus 10 plus X equal to 1 by 12. 2x plus 10 by x square plus 10x equal to 1 by 12. 24x plus 120 equal to x square plus 10x. From right to left, x square minus 14x minus 120 equal to 0. So we can write x square plus 6x minus 20x minus 120 equal to 0. So x plus 6 and minus 20, x plus 6, x plus 6 and x minus 20. So x values minus 6 and 20. So x value always positive, so x equal to 20. X equal to 20. First pipe 20 and second pipe 10 plus 20 means 30. What is the question? How many hours does the faster pipe take to fill the reservoir? Fast pipe means 20 hours. 20 hours. 20 hours less time and 30 hours more time. Fast pipe means 20 hours. So 20 hours means first pipe capacity higher value. For more updates, follow our YouTube channel. Comment your answer. Two pipes P and Q can fill a tank in 10 hours and 20 hours respectively. If both the pipes are open together, how much time will be taken to fill the tank?